Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to play around with some basic techniques on tiles. I think I'm going to try to do 4 or 6 tiles today. So I think I will start with the clean pour, and we are using primary colors for all of them today. So I've got a primary blue, a primary red, and a primary yellow, and black and white. Did not mix up my black because it was left over, so all the others mixed up. There we go. We're ready to go. All right, so for a clean pour, you just pour it on however you want. You can overlap your colors. And I think I'll use a little black. All right. And now you just start tilting. You don't want to tilt all your paint off. You want to go to the edge and then come back until you start getting it spread out. Once you start getting it spread out, you can say, how do I want my composition to look? And so then you start running off just a little bit of the paint to make the composition the way you want. So I'm going to get rid of a little bit of that white. So this is sliding this way. I like how the blue and the black's playing together, and I like the blue and the red over here. So now I'm going to go this way. And you don't want to lose most of your paint. You just want enough to get it the composition you want and off the edge. I like how the yellow went over the red. All right, I'm gonna go off this corner here. All right, final corner. That yellow paint did not want to go off, so I'm just using my finger to kind of pull it off over the edge. Now, I want a little bit of that white to go off too. I don't like that whole white corner. Doesn't seem to want to move, so you can always add a little bit more paint. But then you're going to want it to kind of mix in a little bit so that it looks natural. Like it didn't happen by accident or at the last minute. All right. All my paints today are mixed with Floetrol and water. There's no silicone, but we still did get a few cells. Not a whole lot because we didn't do a dirty pour, so we just still did get a little bit. All right, there's the first one. All right, now we are going to do a ribbon pour. So just start layering in your colors. All right, now if I don't use all this for the ribbon pour, I will probably use it, just do my flip cup in the same cup and use the rest of the paint for the flip cup. Oh, I am gonna add a little black, but I'm not gonna put it next to the yellow because I know that's not good. And black. Okay. Now, for ribbon pour, just kind of make a little spout with the edge of your cup. Just run it around. There, I think that's enough paint. All right. See that? Isn't that pretty? All right. Just start tilting. You want all the paint to cover the whole entire tile. Whoops. Did y'all see how little black I used? I put it in that one layer. And see how much black is on here? That's what happens. All right, one more corner. And there we go, we are done. All right, so I have leftover paint from my ribbon pour, but I am gonna add a little bit more. Let's see, I want a little more blue. Okay, that will be plenty. All right, so just take your cup, flip it over. Give it a couple minutes. Okay, just stick a pen in it. And when you flip, sometimes it's best to go forward a little bit and then back this way, so you don't interfere with it. Look at all those cells. Look at all that yellow. All right, just gonna go for it. Gonna pour some of that yellow off. Ooh, look at those cells forming in the yellow too. Pretty cool. Got all kinds of action going on up in here. All right, just making sure all my sides are covered. Run your finger along the bottom to get off the excess paint. And we are done. What do you guys think? All right, now we have the tree ring is up next. Are y'all watching? I'm gonna do it right in the middle. Small circles, slow pour. Okay. On my tree rings, I like to give them a minute for the paint to settle. Then I try to do it in a spinning motion. Now I'm pulling it back to the center so that I don't lose all that red. All right. I like that composition. All right, now we are going to do a swipe. So I guess I'm just gonna get started. Using all three of the primary colors. With white in the middle. Can you let the dog in? Okay. So I am going to swipe from the middle to the edge. Oh, I didn't do blue on this side. Bummer. Or maybe I did not put blue on top of it. I mean white on top of it. Whatever. There we go. That'll work. You all watching?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I was looking at these.
She can touch it. All right, so now from the middle again. And this way. All right. Now it will take a little while to develop, and I'll be back. All right, that's been sitting here for about 10 minutes or so. So this one is done. There we go. That was our experiment today. I think we did 5 of them, not too bad. Thanks for hanging in with me, guys. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired. All right, here is a recap close-up, but it is very shadowy. So let's try to get this one. That's the first one. That was a clean pour. Then we had the ribbon pour. This is the flip cup. So many cells, so much happening. The tree ring. Again, guys, all I mix this with, there's a swipe, is paint, Floetrol, and a little bit of water. You get plenty of cells without the silicone. You know, some people like silicone, but it is hard to get off and hard if you want to resin over it. So here we go. There they are. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.